Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TEUM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. The one thing to note here is that this one just had earnings. So right now it closed at, down here below 390, but as you see right now, it's up right around the $4.50 mark. The tricky part here is you still have the rest of after hours, and then you have all of pre-market, tomorrow on Wednesday. So where is this actually going to open up? That still remains unknown. But given that the price does seem like it's going to be gapping up, I'm going to kind of assume that it moves or it opens up more so up above this initial level that I'm going to talk about. And that level is right here at $4.30. So assuming that it does open up above 430, that is going to be the initial area of support for no other reason other than, a very basic rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken. So let's just first establish that this has been a level of resistance. On 2 separate occasions, the price tried to get above there and couldn't do it. So yeah, that's definitely been a level of resistance, but to carry on through with the rule, when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So hence, it's looking like the price is going to open up above 430. So 430 will be that initial area of support. Now, in the event the price actually opens up below 430, well, then you would just need to, kind of make a mental reminder that you would have to, transition that back to being an area of resistance. But as of right now, that would be the first level of support. Now, as far as other areas of support, in the event 430 doesn't hold, the next key overarching level of support would be down here right around $4.10. So going into tomorrow, again, 430 and then 410, those primary levels of support on any sort of pullback. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, let's go to the daily time frame. Now each one of these represents an entire day, which is what you would, like I said, normally see. And I just want to kind of give a little context here. So as you can see, the price is up at levels that have not been seen for a very long time. I realize that the chart is now pretty tricky to see, but this is a good problem to have because we're having to go way back into the chart's history in order to find some next potential areas of resistance. So if the price continues to break upwards, the next key overarching level looks to be right up there around $4.75. So all in all, nice movement after hours, and we'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going into Wednesday or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.